Hey guys, check this out. This is the mobile evaporative air cooler. It's perfect. Comes in 3 different speeds, high, medium, low, super quiet. But what I love about this feature is that it's mobile. You can move it around. You can go wherever you want because it's got wheels. You put on them, it's perfectly fine. But it comes with 3 ice packs. So you take these, takes about 2 hours to cool these things. You fill them up, ready to go. But you have 3 different ways to fill it up. Just in case that you're not with my favorite. Come over here, check this out. This is my favorite thing. You can hook it right up to your sprinkler system. You got everything good. You go hook it up to the hose. You're perfect for that. So when you want your water going the whole day, and if you're sitting here having lunch and everything, it's perfect for that. But check this out. Super quiet. That's on low right now. Medium, high. And you also have 120 degrees oscillating, so it's great. You can put it right there. If everyone's like too hot for the day, it's perfect. But here's the great thing. I showed you this. You open here, you can fill it one way. You obviously know the way to the hose. Then you have this right here. You can fill it all the way with some water right here, just like I'm gonna do right here. Boom, you got some water? Boom, put it right in there, all the way, fill it all the way up. And that's perfect if your hose can't reach to where you need it to go. This is perfect for the people who get a little too hot in the summertime. You need to check this out.